Hello everyone, I'm Stephan Liozu, and I'm here to tell you about an exciting workshop at the PPES conference in Chicago. I will be giving this workshop on Wednesday, the 24th of April, on the topic of value-based pricing. We'll go through some of the main concepts of value-based pricing as a refresher, and then I will share with you 12 lessons that I've accumulated over the last 15 years after doing a lot of value-based pricing projects, after doing my PhD on the topic, after studying and researching value-based pricing, and then applying it as a practitioner and as a consultant. So it is an exciting workshop. You will learn quite a bit around the fundamentals of value-based pricing, some of the lessons that you should consider when designing your programs. And also I'll share with you my battle scars, my success stories, and some of the not so successful attempts at deploying value-based pricing. So it is an exciting workshop. Join us at the conference and then sign up for my workshop so you get one CPP credit towards your CPP designation. Thank you and see you in Chicago.